Title: Unmasking the Deception, a comprehensive guide to combating fake news online. In today's digital age, the internet has become a hub for information, but unfortunately, not all of it is accurate or reliable. Fake news is a growing epidemic that is plaguing the internet, and it is becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between what is true and what is false. This article provides a comprehensive guide to combating fake news online and unmasking the deception. Firstly, it is important to verify the source of the information. Look for news from reputable sources such as established news organizations or government agencies. Be wary of news that comes from unknown or obscure sources, or from sources that have a history of spreading false information. Secondly, check the credibility of the author. Look for authors who have a track record of producing accurate and unbiased information. If the author is not known, do some research on the individual to see if they have a history of spreading false information. Thirdly, always check the date of the news. Old news that is being recycled or repurposed can be presented as new information, which can be misleading. Always check the date of the news to ensure that it is current and relevant. Fourthly, be cautious of any news that is too sensational or extreme. Fake news often uses sensational headlines or exaggerated claims to grab attention and influence public opinion. If a story seems too extreme to be true, it probably is. Lastly, don't be afraid to fact-check the news. There are a number of fact-checking websites that can help you verify the accuracy of news stories. These websites can be a valuable tool in identifying and combating fake news. In conclusion, fake news is a serious problem that can have far-reaching consequences. By practicing good internet literacy, verifying the source, author, date, and content of news stories, and fact-checking the news, we can help combat the spread of fake news and ensure that accurate information is being shared. Don't be a victim of fake news. Take control of your information and become a savvy consumer of news on the internet.